Hey guys, so you know how we tend to pop everything in the fridge, thinking it will stay fresh forever? Well, not everything likes the cold. Here are 5 foods you should not store in the fridge. First up, the glorious banana. Bananas hate being in the fridge. They turn black and mushy real quick. Keep them on the counter instead. Next, the adorable tomato. Tomatoes lose their flavor and texture. In the fridge, leave them on the counter for that perfect taste. Then we have the magical honey. Honey crystallizes in the fridge. Store it in your cupboard for eternal goodness. Moving on to the charming onion. Onions absorb moisture. In the fridge, making them mushy. Let them breathe in a cool, dry place. Last but not least, the incredible bread. Bread dries out in the fridge. Keep it in a bread box or pantry for maximum freshness. Remember, not everything loves the chill of the fridge.